What's up guys, TK here with PRX Performance. We're back with another video about a pin. Now I know what you're thinking, TK, you guys have all this sweet equipment and you're gonna come here and talk to us about a pin again? Yes, I am. Also, I know I have my hat on backwards again today. Somebody was getting after me about it in the comments, bad hair day, whatever it might be. I'm just trying to stick up with all the kids out there, okay? Now, back to the pin. This pin is very specific. It is meant for our dip stations, and we're gonna show you on this rack behind me how to mount it and use it correctly. In order to mount your dip station using this pin, you're gonna first remove the wing nut and washer, grab your dip station, and mount it to the rack. Make sure to take note of how the pin is orientated and how it's touching your rack. We get a lot of questions from customers that think the pin should wrap around your rack. It will not wrap around the rack and it is not meant to be mounted that way. This is the correct position to keep your dip station tight and mount it properly on your rack. Hopefully this video helped you solve any questions you might have in regards to mounting your dip station on our profile or pro folding racks. If this video was helpful, hit us with a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and as always, PRX family, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep chasing the gains.